Hello! My name is Cynthia Yang, and today's cover is Lose by Nicki. So, without further ado, I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. I will never know if you love me or my company, but I don't mind, 'cause I ain't tryna be the one. Been through this 1,000 times. I don't need to take your heart. You keep yours, I'll keep mine. All I really know is when I'm lonely, hate that I'm lonely. That's why I let you in. But maybe in another life we fight all day, kiss all night. I don't wanna break your heart. You keep yours, I'll keep mine. I know we know better, so we both let it go. I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming that we don't lose. Yeah, what's the use? I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming, oh, that we can win at anything at all. I'm not the only one who sees right through this. Yeah, all this bullshit. Don't play me for no fool. Yeah, you don't gotta lose your mind every time I don't call. But I should never have to win your love, then hate myself when I don't. Oh, fickle as you are, that's exactly why I keep on running back. 'Cause I'm brittle at the parts where I wish I were strong. And maybe when you need my help, I like myself when it's over. But later in the light you go dark and rogue, and I need closure. I know whatever this is ain't love, so I'm gonna let you go, let you go. I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming that we don't lose. Yeah, what's the use? I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming, oh, that I can win the stupid thing called love. Bam! Thank you.